Hey guys, y'all might remember this from a previous video I put out not too long ago. This is my latest diddley bow, and I like it really well. Anyway, a movie came out in 1986 called Crossroads, starring Macchio and an old black man named Seneca. Really good movie about the blues. Anyway, I wanted to give you my rendition on one of the songs in that movie on my diddley bow, and it's called Feelin Bad Blues. My camera's not picking up the sound that well, so I'm recording it at the same time to give you a good playback. Here we go. Well, I hope you liked that.